What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to export just a section of your video in CapCut PC. So for example, you have like me, two clips right here and you're editing and you want to export just this part of your timeline. What you need to do is to press I and O, and we selected just a part of our timeline like so. And if you want to export it, you can easily click on export. You will export it like so. And as you can see, we just exported the part that we wanted to export. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.